Making money on Etsy with digital downloads involves creating and selling digital products that customers can purchase and download instantly. Here's a guide to help you succeed. Identify a niche. Choose a niche or category for your digital downloads. This could include printables, templates, artwork, digital planners, or any other digital product that appeals to your target audience. Create high-quality products. Develop digital products with attention to quality and creativity. Use graphic design tools to craft visually appealing items. Set up your Etsy shop. Create a seller account on Etsy and set up your shop. Optimize your shop's appearance and provide clear and engaging product descriptions. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions to improve visibility in Etsy's search results. Offer freebies or samples. Provide free samples or low-cost introductory items to attract customers and encourage them to explore your shop. Market your products. Leverage social media, blogs, or other online platforms to market your digital products. Showcase how customers can use them and highlight their value. Customer engagement. Encourage positive reviews and engage with customers. Respond to queries promptly and offer excellent customer service. Stay updated with trends. Keep an eye on market trends and update your shop with fresh, relevant digital products regularly.